Good morning, everyone. I'm Teacher Nat. Welcome to Science for P.6. Today, we're going to learn about wind formation. Let's learn some vocabulary words before we start our lesson. Are you ready? Here we go. Cool air over land. High pressure. Warm air over land. Low pressure. Thermometer. Retort stand. Atmospheric pressure. Hemisphere. Cool air over land. Say that with me. Cool air over land. Let's spell it. C-O-O-L, cool. A-I-R, air. O-V-E-R, over. L-A-N-D, land. Cool air over land. Perfect. Say it in Thai word. Good job! High pressure. Say that with me. High pressure. Let's spell it. H-I-G-H-P-R-E-S-S-U-R-E. High pressure. Perfect. Say it in Thai word. Excellent. Warm air over land. Say that with me. Warm air over land. Let's spell it. W-A-R-M, warm. A-I-R, air. O-V-E-R, over. L-A-N-D, land. Warm air over land. You're doing great. Say it in Thai word. Fantastic. Low pressure. Say that with me. Low pressure. Let's spell it. L-O-W-P-R-E-S-S-U-R-E. Low pressure. Great job. Say it in Thai word. Perfect. Thermometer. Say that with me. Thermometer. Let's spell it. T-H-E-R-M-O-M-E-T-E-R. Thermometer. Impressive. Say it in Thai word. That's right. Retort stand. Say that with me. Retort stand. Let's spell it. R-E-T-O-R-T-S-T-A-N-D. Retort stand. Perfect. Say it in Thai word. Impressive. Atmospheric pressure. Say that with me. Atmospheric pressure. Let's spell it. A-T-M-O-S-P-H-E-R-I-C C P R E S S U R E. Atmospheric pressure. Good job! Say it in Thai word. Excellent. Hemisphere. Say that with me. Hemisphere. Let's spell it. H-E-M-I-S-P-H-E-R-E. Hemisphere. That's right. Say it in Thai word. Perfect. That's the end of our vocabulary words. Now let's proceed to our lesson. Are you ready? Okay. It's fun to fly a kite on a windy day, right? Trees sway when there is a wind. What is a wind? That's right. Wind is the moving air. So how does the air move? For us to know the answer, I want everybody to get their workbooks and open on page 97. Are we on the same page? Alright, everybody let's read. Wind. Wind is the movement of air from an area of high pressure to an area of low pressure. The hot air in a warm area rises, reducing its atmospheric pressure. The cold air from a nearby area, nearer to the ground, has a higher atmospheric pressure. Please turn to the next page. Let's continue reading. The cold air will move in to replace the hot air that has risen up. This produces wind that blows from the cool area, that is with a higher atmospheric pressure, to the warm area with a lower atmospheric pressure. To summarize our lesson, the uneven heating of the Earth's surface from the sun causes the temperature differences in air. Warm air goes up, creating areas of low pressure. Cool air goes down, creating areas of high pressure. So air moves from the areas of higher pressure toward areas of lower pressure. Now it's time to test your knowledge. Please turn to page 101, exercise 1. Are we on the same page? Okay, I will read first the question and you can write the answer on the blank in each of the following questions. You can pause the video and write. Let's start. Number 1. The diagram below shows the formation of wind as the sun heats the places unevenly. Letter A. Which place has a higher atmospheric pressure? The cool place or the warm place? Letter B. Which place has a lower atmospheric pressure? The cool place or the warm place? Letter C. How does the air move between the two places of different atmospheric pressures? And letter D. Draw the movement of the air in the diagram above. For letter D, you can draw the diagram in your science notebook. Now let's check your answers. Number 1. The diagram below shows the formation of wind as the sun heats the places unevenly. Letter A. Which place has a higher atmospheric pressure? The cool place or the warm place? The correct answer is the cool place. Let's go to letter B. Which place has a lower atmospheric pressure? The cool place or the warm place? What's your answer? Correct, the warm place. How does the air move between the two places of different atmospheric pressures? So your answer should be, the air moves from the place with the higher atmospheric pressure to the place with the lower atmospheric pressure. Letter D. Draw the movement of the air in the diagram above. So I will check all of your notebooks once you are done with your drawing. I know you did this right. Now turn to page 106. Let's answer subjective questions. Are we on the same page? Okay. I will read first the question and you can answer on the blank below in each of the following questions. You can pause the video and answer. Let's start. Number 1, letter A. What is moving air known as? Letter B, first question. What happens to the air in hot areas? Second question. How does this affect the atmospheric pressure? Letter C, first question. What happens to the air in cold areas? Second question. How does this affect the atmospheric pressure? Letter D. How does wind move? And letter E. Draw to show your answers in B, C, and D. So you have to draw a diagram showing the movement of air. It's actually the same diagram that you draw on your science notebook. Now let's check your answers. Number 1, letter A. What is moving air known as? So that is wind. Letter B, first question. What happens to the air in hot areas? So it gets warm and rises. Second question. How does this affect the atmospheric pressure? So the atmospheric pressure is reduced. Letter C, first question. What happens to the air in cold areas? So it gets cooled and sinks to the ground. Second question. How does this affect the atmospheric pressure? The atmospheric pressure is increased. Let's go to letter D. How does wind move? Wind moves from a cold area to a hot area. Letter E. Draw to show your answers in B, C, and D. So this should be the diagram on how air moves. That's the end of our lesson for today. I hope you enjoy learning.